Welcome again in this beautiful world of accountancy. This is Amit sir, your accountancy teacher. Now to this video I am going to start retirement of a partner. But before I start, I'll suggest you all to please like and subscribe my channel. Now, as per Section 32 of Indian Partnership Act 1932, a partner can be retired from the firm at any time with the consent of all the partners. It means सब partners का agree होना जरूरी है उसकी retirement को लेके. Second thing which you should remember that his retirement must be according to the express agreement between them. Next thing which you should remember that if partnership is at will, then by giving a notice वो कभी भी retire हो सकता है. उसको ये नोटिस सभी पार्टनर्स को देना है. नेक्स्ट, नाउ second important point related to retirement of a partner is that a partner who is going to retire must give a public notice regarding his retirement. अगर वो ऐसा नहीं करता तो कोई भी एक्ट जो फर्म उसकी रिटायरमेंट के बाद भी करती है उसके लिए भी वो लायबल रहेगा. इट मीन्स इफ अ पार्टनर इज गोइंग टू रिटायर ही मस्ट गिव a public notice regarding his retirement from the firm. अदरवाइज वो उसके बाद के रिटायरमेंट के बाद के भी सभी एग्रीमेंट के लिए लायबल रहता है. थर्ड पॉइंट इज ऑल्सो रिलेटेड विद सेकेंड पॉइंट. इट सेज अगर कोई थर्ड पार्टी उस एग्रीमेंट की नॉलेज के बिना भी आपसे डील करती है बट उसे ये भी नहीं पता कि वो पार्टनर पहले उस फर्म में था, इन सच सिचुएशन दैट आउटगोइंग पार्टनर इज नॉट रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर एनी सच एक्ट. Next, notice under subsection 3 may be given by retiring partner or by any other partner of the reconstituted firm. It means जो पार्टनर जा रहा है वो अपने आप नोटिस दे दे या जो बचे हुए पार्टनर हैं वो भी नोटिस दे सकते हैं. Now, here comes accounting treatment of retirement of a partner. Now, while doing accounting treatment of retirement of a partner, you should remember that in case of retirement, all steps are similar with the chapter number 4, that was admission of a partner. It means admission of a partner or retirement of a partner में steps same है but some small changes are here. First step is computation of new ratio and gaining ratio. If you remember in admission हमने किया था first step computation of new profit sharing ratio and sacrificing ratio. That sacrificing ratio is replaced by gaining ratio here in case of retirement of a partner. Second thing, अगर आपको याद हो हमने एडमिशन में किया था ट्रीटमेंट ऑफ गुडविल. सिमिलरली इन केस ऑफ रिटायरमेंट वी विल डू ट्रीटमेंट ऑफ गुडविल. एंड थर्ड केस इफ यू रिमेंबर इन प्रीवियस चैप्टर वी हैड कवर्ड दैट वाज रिवैल्यूएशन अकाउंट एंड प्रिपरेशन ऑफ रीएडजस्टमेंट ऑफ एसेट्स और लायबिलिटीज. नाउ सिमिलरली इन केस ऑफ रिटायरमेंट वी हैव टू डू सेम थिंग्स. और अगर आपको याद हो फोर्थ स्टेप हमने किया था ट्रीटमेंट ऑफ एक्यूमुलेटेड रिजर्व्स एंड प्रॉफिट्स. सिमिलरली इन केस ऑफ रिटायरमेंट वी विल डू ट्रीटमेंट ऑफ एक्यूमुलेटेड प्रॉफिट्स एंड रिजर्व्स. एंड फाइनली लास्ट थिंग इफ यू रिमेंबर जो हमने लास्ट एडमिशन में किया था दैट वाज फुल फ्लेज क्वेश्चंस. यस, here we will do full fledged question over last step as well. But one thing you should remember while closing partners capital account, जब पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट को क्लोज करेंगे इन केस ऑफ एडमिशन जो भी बैलेंस सीडी आते थे वो सब बैलेंस शीट में जाते थे और विद द नेम ऑफ कैपिटल. बट इन केस ऑफ रिटायरमेंट एक्सेप्ट टू रिटायरिंग पार्टनर बोथ आर सेम. जो रिटायर हो रहा है उसको छोड़ के बाकी सारे रिमेनिंग आर सेम. उनको सिमिलरली आप बैलेंस शीट में कॉपी कर देंगे. बट जो पार्टनर रिटायर हो रहा है हिज बैलेंस मस्ट बी रिटन एज हिज लोन अकाउंट. और अगर क्वेश्चन में स्पेसिफिकली मेंशन हो देन वी हैव टू रीपे हिम. Now, after knowing things to learn in this chapter or accounting treatments to be learned step by step in this chapter, let's start the first step. जो था computation of new profit sharing ratio and gaining ratio at the time of retirement of the partner. First, we should know the meaning of new profit sharing ratio. It means the ratio in which remaining partners will share their profit in future. It means ये वो रेशियो है जिस रेशियो में बचे हुए पार्टनर्स फ्यूचर में प्रॉफिट को डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करेंगे जब पार्टनर रिटायर हो जाएगा उसके बाद. सेकेंड थिंग विच is gaining ratio. means the ratio in which continuing partners have acquired the share from outgoing partners. It means जो पार्टनर जा रहा है या जा रहे हैं उनके शेयर को जो रिमेनिंग पार्टनर जिस रेशियो में एक्वायर करते हैं, that ratio is known as gaining ratio. And the formula for computing gaining ratio or share is new share of remaining partner less old share of remaining partner. Now, after knowing meaning of the term new profit sharing ratio or gaining ratio at the time of retirement of a partner, let's start the different situations which may arise regarding computation of new profit sharing ratio or gaining ratio in case of retirement of a partner. First situation is in which no other information is given regarding new ratio or gaining ratio after the retirement of the partner. In such situation, there is no need to make computation of gaining ratio or new ratio because जो उनका पुराना रेशियो है बचे हुए पार्टनर्स का, that will be termed as their gaining ratio or new ratio. Please feed this thing in your mind. If two things are given to you in a question regarding computation of ratio, those two things are first old ratio between partners, second name of retiring partner. Except to that, nothing is given in a question regarding computation of gaining or new profit sharing ratio. Then their old ratio, their here means the remaining partners old ratio will be termed as their gaining ratio or new profit sharing ratio. Second situation was when gaining ratio is given to you and which is different from their old ratio. In such situation, we will compute the new profit sharing ratio between remaining partner by adding their gaining share in their old shares. And finally, the last case in which new profit sharing ratio is given to you with old profit sharing ratio. In such situation, we will use the formula which I told you with the help of word song. That formula is new share of remaining partner minus old share of remaining parts. Now, for better understanding of situation 1, I am doing one practical question. In the given question, there is no information is given regarding new ratio and gaining ratio. In such situation, only two things are available to us. Those two things are old ratio between partners and second, name of retiring partner. Like in this question, Amit, Sumit and Punit sharing profit and losses in the ratio 3:1 respectively. Amit retires from the firm. They want you to calculate new profit sharing ratio and gaining ratio. देखिए ध्यान से, सिर्फ दो चीजें गिवन है. Those two things are old profit sharing ratio and name of retiring partner, that is Amit. Now, for the purpose of computing new profit sharing ratio, आप पहले देखिए old profit sharing ratio क्या है, 3:2:1. We just need to remove this 3 from this and you will get the new ratio और वो आपका new ratio है 2:1. Similarly, if they want us to compute gaining ratio, first we will write their old ratio, that is 3:2:1, and we just need to remove 3 from this side. Again we will get their gaining ratio as 2:1. ये तभी एप्लीकेबल होगा जब दो कंडीशन सेटिस्फाई होंगी. वो दो कंडीशन है, पहला आपके पास ओल्ड रेशियो और नेम ऑफ रिटायरिंग पार्टनर हो, और अलावा कोई इंफॉर्मेशन नहीं होना चाहिए. Now that's it and goodbye, and please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel once again.